Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to actually integrate Google Analytics into your BIS 365 website. So what is Google Analytics? Google Analytics is a way in which you can analyze the traffic that is coming from various sources into your website. So by doing that, you'll be able to better understand how the traffic is moving and all the regions where you can improve the performance of your website. So in order to do that, we'll directly dive into the Google Analytics account. So what I've done is I've logged into the Google Analytics account, and in this Google Analytics account, what we need to do is go right at the bottom into the admin panel. And once we are in the admin panel, we need to basically click on tracking info and then click on tracking code. Once we've done that, we can copy the tracking code from here and then jump back into your BIS 365 app and then go into settings, go into SEO analytics, and then put in the Google Analytics code here. Once you've done that, everything is set and your Google Analytics is now attached to your BIS 365 website. If you're stuck somewhere and if you need further help, obviously you can always click on this and talk to us, where we can better understand you or point you in the right direction of advanced usage of Google Analytics. Thank you.